Hello, welcome you all. I am Divya Jain from ABC5 and today's topic is 5-step process to generate consistent leads. If you are struggling to get consistent leads in your business, this video is right for you. So watch till the end. Okay, so first of all, understand what is the importance of consistent leads. Now everybody will say, ma'am, to increase the sales, Divya, to get the revenue, right? But also consistent leads will enable your business to flow continuously. Now what happens, you get some 2 3 leads and then you stop bringing in more leads. What happens when, as and when you serve those 2 3 clients, you don't have clients anymore. Now you struggle to pay the salaries of your employees. Okay, so what you have to do is follow these 5-step process. Step 1, identify your target audience. See, unless you know whom to target, how will you decide that okay, I have to pitch my business to this person or that person? So how will you define that? You define it on the basis of their demographics, on their age, on their gender, profession, interest, pain points, challenges, and whatever information you can get about your ideal client. Okay, now if you don't know your audience, what happens? You'll waste time here, there, all type of people keep coming in your business, and then you were stuck that this person demands something, that person demands something, I'm not able to fulfill that. Rather, define your niche, define your client properly, so you'll be able to effectively serve your clients, get good feedback, good reviews on Google, and also you will be able to get in more leads related to that particular client. Okay, so step 2, build a strong online presence. Now you will say, online presence, my business is just local, I am working from home. See, if you are working only in your society, I have a friend who was doing that. She ultimately wrapped her business. Why? In your society, in your locality, people are very limited. If you go beyond the limits of your own territory, the world is like a sky. You have lot many people to explore. You have a lot of avenues. So build strong online presence. Nowadays, everything is digital. So you cannot just rely on distributing pamphlets or throwing away newspaper ads. No, so digital, everybody is on Instagram, everybody is on YouTube. So go for that. Now, how you do? Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, your website. These are all social media platforms, digital platforms where you can display your products or services. Okay, I'll not go more in detail, but yes, broadly I'll share how you select your media. Number one, what is your client? Because step one you have already completed. So you see if your client is a corporate client. So where is the corporate sitting? On the LinkedIn. Go on LinkedIn. Yes, of course, website is very, very important when it comes to professionalism. It increases your credibility, it increases your reach. So you should have at least a basic website if you are a wellness coach or a life coach or anything into coaching. Instead of website, you can just go for a landing page. That also will serve your purpose. Okay, third step, develop a lead magnet. Now, what is lead magnet? मैं simple terms में बताती हूँ. So, lead magnet is something which attracts your client. Some free gift, some offer, some discount coupons, or something like that, a free consultation. Okay, so like what I am doing, I am giving away a free consultation as my lead magnet. So what I tell them, okay, you have problem in business, contact me, I'll give you 30 minutes free consultation on your business and identify which area to work on so that you get more leads, you get more business. Now, obviously, when somebody improves on business, and that too on free of cost, they now know me that I am a genuine person, credible person, ready to serve them. So they will pay me instantly and they will pay me automatically. They will have a trust within that 30 minutes. Okay, so that's a lead magnet. Now it is up to your type of product, services, and client. What are they looking for? Accordingly, you have to plan your lead magnet. For me, consultation was good because I am dealing with entrepreneurs who want one-to-one interaction on their business. If you are a wellness coach, consultation can be a good lead magnet for you, or maybe a ebook, a free ebook where they get a process that how to get rid of PCOD or how to lose weight. Okay, if you are a life coach, maybe some meditation session can be a freebie. one online recorded class where they contact you after that class to get more information or to avail your services. Now, after you have developed lead magnet, step 4 is to create a landing page, which I have already said that it is very, very important, especially for coaches, to have a landing page. Now, what purpose that will serve? That will talk about what you do, what a person you are, what are you into, and what are your testimonials, what are your services. You can display your products there, so that will give complete information about you and your business to your probable clients. Now when they have all the information, your client is ready to take the decision. Okay, obviously in this landing page you will have a clear call to action. Now there should not be multiple call to action, that you are inviting for consultation also, you are inviting for freebie also. Take only one call to action. You want to invite for consultation, depending on what is your lead magnet, you invite them for consultation. So that call to action should be there on your landing page. Fifth step, what you have to do is set up your nurturing system, either through email or through WhatsApp. So what my team gave me was email nurturing. So I am not much into emails, I am more into WhatsApp. So that again depends the type of client you are having. So if your client is more on WhatsApp, use WhatsApp as your nurturing system. So like say create a broadcast list where you are sharing some videos on or content around your niche, or you set up an email sequence. I have an account on Sendfox. Sendfox is a great platform, you can use that. Okay, and create a sequence where you keep sending automated emails to your probable clients or those people who leave email ID with you. Okay, this way when they keep watching your content again and again, there are high chances that they will contact you in near future for your services. So these are the 5 steps which will get you consistent leads in your business. Do follow these steps, share the feedback with me, and do let me know if you have any questions. If you want to consult with me one to one, I am open. The consultation will be free of cost. You can contact me. Thank you.